Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be loaded with lots of cleaning motivation. I have so much cleaning to do. It's been a crazy day, week, month, it feels like, and it's just gonna get crazier, but I have so much to catch up on. So today I'm going to be doing a whole house clean with me, lots of cleaning to do. As you can tell in the background, it is a complete bomb, like real life messes here in this video. I'm also going to be showing you some of my cleaning checklists that we use as a family. You know, if you have a chore system in your house, if you give your kids, you know, your chore is to clean the bathroom, well, how do they know what to do? What is expected? So I have these charts, these cleaning checklists that are just inside the cupboards, and they just go through as they're cleaning and check it off. That way, when you go to check, you know, if they have the bathroom, you go to check and see if it's done. They'll be like, well, you forgot this and you forgot that and this. That way they don't forget anything. They know exactly what's expected of them. It also helps me. I like a checklist. I do have anxiety, and so sometimes I get overwhelmed. And so if you have that list right in front of you, you can just check off everything that's expected, and it feels really, really good. So anyway, let's start the video. I hope this gives you tons and tons of cleaning motivation. Lots to do, so let's do this.
I would never take our love for granted. Love how you make me feel alive when you're with me. Took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Bring me down, whatever. Call me off whenever. I got time whenever now. You look great, however. This can't wait for the better. Let us talk forever now. 'Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fight. Oh, this fight. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all, 'cause I deny it, deny I am. Drowning in your arms, still I want it all, 'cause I deny we're no good for each other. for each other. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now
So these are the cleaning lists that we use in my family. You can put them on your cabinets with Velcro. It doesn't ruin your paint or your surface at all. You can either take them off the Velcro and cross them off as you go, or we just keep them right in the cabinet and cross them off in the cabinet. But yeah, you can hang up your dry erase marker and just mark it off as you go. And these work really well for my family. I'll put a link in the description box down below, and you can print off your own copies if you'd like.
I'm weak for you, yeah you, yeah you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still, you're my The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
So I'm just going to show you really quick what the cleaning checklists look like in the kids' rooms. I usually will try to put them in the closet, behind the door, or just in an area that's not like too obvious. So this is on the back of my daughter's closet door, and she doesn't have a ceiling fan, so she'll just cross that off. And then these extra lines down here, you can get a permanent Sharpie marker and just write in, you know, things that you want added to that list. But this is our list of what they need to do every morning before they go anywhere. They just check them off as they go, and then I'll come in and just make sure that they have all of it checked off and everything's done. That way they know exactly what is expected of them when you say, go clean your room. You know, they know what they need to do. Also, I love these markers. They have little erasers on the end of it. So she just erases what she's checked off each morning and starts over. So it's worked really well for us. It's not perfect. There are still days when, you know, the kids haven't done it perfect or gotten it done, but we just keep trying and keep working and do the best that we can. So anyway, there you go.
When I'm dancing in the night, everybody's gonna light up. I can play like a string when I'm doing my thing right. I just ace your game. I won't take it easy. Take it easy, no, no.
Thank you so much for being here. I hope this video gave you some cleaning motivation to tackle your own home. And if you're interested in those cleaning checklists, I'll leave a link in the description box down below and you can print your own copies. Make sure that you laminate them so that you can use them like a dry erase board. So, all right, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.